Hi there, in this video, we'll show you how to create standard items and combo items to help you build your menu online. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's what it looks like on the front end where customers place their orders. And here's the back end, where you'll be making updates. From your dashboard, go to the menu section. Click on the menu, then select the category where you want to add your new item. Click Create New Item. There are two types of items, standard and combo. Let's start with a standard item. To create a standard item, start by entering the dish name and price. You can also add a display name to override how the item appears in your store, a print name, description, and subtitle if you want to highlight something special about this dish or leave those blank. Choose the tax that applies, then click Save. On the front end, make sure to refresh the store to see the update. You'll now see the item's name, subtitle, and description. To add a photo, click Image and Tags. You can upload from your device, Facebook, Google Drive, or paste an image link. Then choose the tags if you want to have them displayed with the item. If you haven't set up tags yet, check out our video tutorial on managing menu options. These help categorize your items. Once done, click Save, then refresh to view the changes on your online store. To add options, go to Edit, then Options and Ingredients. Here, you can assign option sets like sizes or extras. Use points to limit free choices on pizza option sets and add charges for extras. Setting a primary option set will show multiple prices, for example, for different pizza sizes. You can also list ingredients, allowing customers to remove any if they have dietary preferences. Once added, refresh the front end to see your updated item with sizes and ingredient toggles. Now, let's create a combo item, for example, to pizzas and a drink. Start by adding the name and price. And select a combo price type, standard for a fixed price, or difference for price changes based on selections. Add a display name, description, and subtitle if needed. Use the Option Set blacklist to exclude options like pizza sizes gluten-free base. Just like with standard items, set the applicable tax, upload an image, and add item tags if needed. Now it's time to build your combo by clicking Item Choice. Make sure you've already created the standard dishes you want to include. Click Add Choice for each item in the combo. For 2 pizzas and a drink, create 3 choices. Then, select the standard items you want to include in the list of options available for the customer to choose from. Click Save when you're done. On the front end, refresh to see your combo item. Because we use standard pricing, all options show the same price. And since we blacklisted certain options, they don't appear in the choices. Let's try placing a test order. In the cart, you'll see the combo name and your selected items. And that's it. You've now created both standard and combo items on your online store. For more tutorials, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.